I'd like to introduce you to the urinal catch. Now, for years, companies have claimed that they completely eliminated splashback. We found that that really wasn't the case. So when we set out to design this, we started from the ground up with really one thing in mind. How can we completely eliminate wet pants forever and actually provide a solution where men can pee intuitively right in the target zone of a urinal without having to aim down? A lot of men actually prefer to pee down the side of the urinal and kind of match the curvature so they eliminate splash that way. But we decided, well, what if we created the catch that went in the complete center of the urinal, right in the target zone, very intuitive to aim at, created a game of sorts where men can literally just aim at it like a target. Not only does it use the fresh flush water provided by the top of the urinal to completely clean itself and clean itself of the urine that's already in there after usage, and then also channel the urine down into the drain area. So those were kind of the design goals, and it achieved this perfectly. And you'll also see that it eliminates any side splash, which makes cleaning the urinal and everything janitorial about this much better and much easier to clean for the janitors or whoever takes care of the facilities. Now, we do have a special adhesive on the back here. This was made to be completely waterproof, obviously adhere to the porcelain, as well as take the flushing of fresh water several hundred times. But that is the urinal catch in a nutshell, and you'll see how easy this is to install. It installs in seconds. As I mentioned, it lasts a couple months, lifetime, and it's a lot lighter than a lot of the other innovative options on the market, and it comes in at a material weight of roughly the same as traditional urinal screens, kind of like that, but it also gives you the performance and a totally innovative experience that men will actually enjoy because they can leave the bathroom with no splashback on their pants.